Hello and welcome to my origami tutorial. This tutorial will be making a jumping frog. Yet again I've got a 7 by 7 inch piece of square paper with a coloured side and a plain side on the back. Okay, we're going to start on the plain side, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold the paper in half diagonally, like so. Again, try to line up the edges with your index fingers and make a nice neat crease with your thumbs. Okay, and open it out and do another crease along the other diagonal. Again, line up with index fingers and make a nice neat crease with your thumbs. Okay, open that out and turn it over and you have an X. Right, now what you need to do is you need to do a fold along the edges. Again, try to line up the corners. Try and make folds as square as possible. It will make your folds later on easier. Okay, and yet again, turn 90 degrees and fold along the other edge. Okay. Now, what you should have is a cross and a plus sign. And now, what I want you to do is turn over, so you're on the plain side again, and you take creases in the middle of the two sides and bring them in the middle, and push them down to the bottom, and then push this flat down, and what you have is a water bomb base. Right, now what you do is you take one flap and you fold it in the middle, like so, and you unfold it. Now you take the opposite side and you fold up to the crease you have just made, right here. Like so. And now what you do is you fold it back using the centre line, this one here, as a guide. Okay, like so. Now what you do is you take this side and you take this corner and you line it up to this corner and fold, and then you fold back over this crease. Oops, sorry, you don't want to bring one leg, you want to keep that one there. Okay, so you should have something that looks like that. Now what you do is you turn over and you do the same on the opposite side. So first you fold one corner into the centre, unfold, you fold the corner up to the crease you've just made, you fold back across that central line, and you do the same on the opposite side. So you take this edge here, and you line it up to this corner, like that. You do a crease, you bring this, just one, along the centre. Okay. So you should have something that looks like this on both sides. Okay. Now what you do is you take this corner here, just on the flap, and you fold upwards, just to the end, and you do the same on this corner here. So you take this corner up, and you fold upwards like that. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're actually going to push this fold underneath this leg. So what you do is you lift up, you push it the other way, just give it that a little pinch just to help it along its way, and again just pinch again just to try and keep it clean. You can just try to squash it down, but I prefer doing those pinches just to make sure it doesn't buckle. Right, now what you do is you do the same on the other side. So, sorry, I'll just quickly put that back. You just pull that up, reverse, pinch, like that, pinch there, so you're just reversing the fold. Okay, now what you do is you just do the same on the other side. So you turn over, like so. You take these corners and you fold them up, like so. And then you pull up and you reverse the folds. You can just try to squash them down if you like, if you find that's easier. But the pinching can help. Okay. Now what you need to do is you need to take this section here, so it's right down from the bottom, but leaving these legs behind, and you need to fold up like that, and then you turn the whole thing over and you fold back. Okay, and that is it. That is your jumping frog. So it's got a little jump to it. As a little game, you can always try to jump the frog into one of the boxes we made in an earlier video. So that was the box we made in episode 1. Believe it or not, I actually spent quite a bit of time practicing doing this on one of the earlier models, and I actually got it in about 1 time out of 3. It is typical that when you actually go to record it, it never works. You finally got it in. Okay, so maybe if you use a slightly thicker paper than I did, you'll get a better spring. But try it out and see if you can be a bit more successful in getting the frog into the box than I was. Okay. Take care and feel free to post your comments. Bye.